Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to the Device Unlock Master channel. In today's video, we will be unlocking a router. As you may have seen in our intro, we have an online service. So this router is being unlocked online right in this video. This model is a Huawei MTN B315s-22. A friend from Zambia reached out to us and requested that we unlock this router for him. As you can see, this router is currently showing a locked status. The friend has inserted an Airtel network SIM, but the router is not accepting it because it is specifically locked to the MTN network. So we will bring it into working condition on all networks using a software update. Here you can see all the information of our router: model number, software version, hardware version, and all the details. So now, let's proceed to our software update. To fully understand the process, please watch the video until the end. We will select the update software for our router and then proceed with the update. So once this software update starts, you need to be careful. Do not turn off your router, do not turn off your laptop, and do not disconnect the LAN cable. In other words, do not touch anything until this entire update is fully complete. Friends, we are unlocking this router remotely using AnyDesk Online. If you also have any Wi-Fi router and you want to get it unlocked on all networks, you can contact us on the number provided on your screen via WhatsApp, and you can get any router unlocked right from home. For online unlocking, you will need a laptop or computer, and you should have an internet connection. To connect this router to your computer, you will also need a LAN cable like this. For remote access, we will connect to you via AnyDesk, TeamViewer, or UltraViewer to complete the task. Then you can use any SIM of your choice. We have a small, reasonable charge, and you can easily get your work done by paying it. You will receive a high-quality professional service. If you work with software and you need any software, any unlocking firmware for all types of Wi-Fi routers, you can also get it from us. Please note, the cost of purchasing software is higher, whereas the online service charges are lower. Successfully, friends, our device is now completely fixed. As you can see on our screen, our network has come up, and the Airtel network SIM is now working perfectly in it. This router can now be used on all networks with fast internet. Earlier, there was a network lock. It was showing a locked status, but now it has been removed, and our router's interface has returned to the original Huawei interface. This video was shown to you as proof. If you also want to unlock your router, you can do it similarly. Just contact us, and without any hassle, you can get your work done. I hope you liked our video. If you are satisfied with our service, please subscribe to our channel. Here you will keep getting many updates on internet devices, routers, 4G, 5G, and a lot of future updates related to the internet. Please leave a nice comment on our video, keep us in your prayers, take very good care of yourself, and goodbye.